Hello, my name's Joe, and what we're going to be looking at today is how to enable Lumen inside of Unreal Engine 5. If you find this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more videos, and don't forget to check out my website, 3dassetlibrary.com, for Unreal and Unity Engine assets. So, what we've got here is a project that I've created, an asset pack, and I've imported this from 420 into 5. And it's gone through its whole loading thing. But when it comes in and packs from older versions, it's not actually set to the new lighting engine inside of Unreal 5. So it's a pretty easy thing to do. You'll probably see, well, hopefully see a drastic change. So what we'll do is we'll go to Edit, Project Settings, and you'll get this window here. And over the left, we will scroll down to Rendering. And we were going to be looking for global illumination and reflections. So what we want to do is set the reflection method to Lumen, set the global illumination method to Lumen, and so it's going to tell you this has been enabled automatically. Right, okay, so that's going to require us to restart Unreal. So what I'll do is I'll just pause here and meet you back here. And what's going to happen is when we close our project down and reload it, it's going to go through compiling all the shaders. You can already see here that the light looks, in my opinion, far better. Obviously, it's a lot more vibrant because it's taking the settings from previous projects and whatnot, so you would have to tweak that. But it gives you a very, very clear idea. You might also, your camera may lock while it's compiling the shading, depending on how complex it is. But you can see here, for me, it looks a lot, in a way, a lot more natural. And when we go inside the building as well, it looks nicer. You're getting nicer reflections off of stuff here. So that's how to simply enable Lumen. As you can see, for me, as someone who creates asset packs, I can't wait to actually be able to use Unreal Engine fully, Unreal Engine 5 fully, and more and more people adopt it because it's going to be incredibly fun. A lot more visually appealing, and your results look far better, and you can get nicer results quicker with Lumen than you can sitting there trying to set up HDRs to get the correct effects and that. But hopefully this has helped. If it has, please do like and subscribe, and cheers.